Imagine standing in total darkness. No warmth, no cooked food, no glowing hearths to hold back the night. The flicker of fire has defined human existence for nearly 1,000,000 years. But what if we never discovered it all? How would humanity survive in a world without flame? Fire is more than light and heat. It is the foundation of civilization itself. It gave us cooked food, stronger bodies, safer nights. It forged the first weapons, the first tools, the first industries. But let's strip it away, erase the spark, and step into a reality where humankind never tamed the flame. Without fire, early humans remain locked in the cold grip of nature. We eat raw meat, raw plants, raw roots. Our digestive systems strain. Calories are harder to extract. Brains grow slower. Evolution stalls. In this world, Homo sapiens may never become the dominant species. We remain vulnerable, weak, a shadow of what we could be. Fire was a multiplier. It expanded our range across the globe, letting us endure frozen nights. It sterilized water and food, saving countless lives. It hardened wood into spears, later into tools of war. It created the possibility of metallurgy, bronze, iron, steel. Remove it, and humanity never enters the age of metal. No cities, no empires, no industrial revolution. Civilization, as we know it, dies unborn. Consider history. The mastery of fire dates back to Homo erectus nearly 1,000,000 years ago. Archaeological sites reveal charred bones and blackened hearths where early humans gathered. It wasn't just survival, it was transformation. Cooking food shrank our jaws, freed up energy, and powered our brains. Without it, we might resemble our primate cousins to this day. And predators? Wolves, lions, and hyenas once feared the circle of firelight. Without it, they rule the night, and we remain prey. Step 1. Without fire, human diets remain raw and limited. Populations grow slowly, if at all. Step 2. Nightfall becomes a death sentence. No torches, no warmth. Communities stay small, scattered, and fragile. Step 3. No smelting, no bronze, no iron. Our world freezes in a permanent stone age. Step 4. Without metallurgy, there are no plows, no swords, no machines. Agriculture struggles. Wars are fought with sticks and stones. Step 5. Without fire, there is no steam engine, no electricity, no space age. Humanity lingers at the edge of existence, forever vulnerable to nature's chaos. Fire was not just a discovery. It was the first great revolution. It gave us power over nature, and in doing so, reshaped who we are. Without it, we are not builders of cities, not makers of history. We are scattered tribes, shivering under cold skies, waiting for dawn. The question is not just what if we never found fire? The question is, how many other invisible sparks shaped our destiny, and how many more remain undiscovered? If fire was the first step that carried us forward, what happens if one day we lose control of it? Would it still be our servant, or our destroyer?